We're on site today at Coomera Hub, 17 architecturally designed units in the heart of the Upper Coomera CBD. Each unit benefits from high clearance warehousing and offers the buyer the flexibility for a premium office mezzanine fit out or simple mezzanine storage, tailored to your exact needs.
Coomera Hub offers versatile spaces ranging between 117 to 385 square metres, each with dedicated car parking and excellent vehicle access, designed to suit a wide range of business needs. The development is progressing on schedule and will feature high-spec finishes throughout.
Units are selling fast, so please get in contact with the exclusive agents at Crew Commercial or Coastal Commercial for further details.